This is Annie from the QuickBooks team. You can attach documents to transactions quickly by directly uploading them via the QuickBooks Desktop mobile app. Let's go over how to use the app, how to upload to QuickBooks, and then how to attach your uploaded documents to an invoice or bill. Your QuickBooks Desktop subscription comes with a mobile app you can download from Google or Apple app stores. Once you sign into the mobile app with your Intuit account, you'll see an option to snap and upload documents on the home screen. If you have more than one company, select the one you want to snap and send documents to. Take a picture with your camera or select the doc from your gallery. Crop or rotate your doc. Add a name or description so you know how to match it in QuickBooks, and send it to QuickBooks. Next time you create an invoice or bill in QuickBooks, select Attach Files and then Mobile. Here's where you'll locate documents you or your employee uploads. Select Add to add this to your invoice. Your invoice now has the documents attached. The email you send to your customer will have the invoice and attachments. You can use the mobile app to send documents in bulk to the Document Center. You can always attach any doc to your transaction later. With an active QuickBooks subscription, you don't have to remember to scan documents later. You can focus on your business.